Hey guys, if you want to make a YouTube banner with Canva in 2024 and boost views, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Click your browser at the bottom right. And you can use one of these websites. Let's say, for example, free and customizable YouTube channel art templates. And you can go ahead and select from many free templates that you can use for your YouTube channel, right? So as you can see right here, you have this channel, for example, or this kind of designs. You can just go ahead and click on it and start editing editing your design, right? Another way of doing it, you can just go ahead, go back, scroll down and see right here the YouTube banner maker, and just go ahead and start designing your own YouTube channel and art. And as you can see, they will suggest a many template that you can use for your YouTube journey. Okay, so you can start adding the YouTube banner, of course, and after you finish, you can hit save at the top right and then hit download. Let me select an example for that. Let's say this one, right? I could go ahead and click right here the text, double click the text, and I can change the texts. And if I want to change something in design, like the picture or whatever that might be for you, you can just do that in the subscribe button, in the bell icon, and you can of course select the whole design. And if you want to animate it, you can do that as well, or you can swipe. Let me close this. Select this, for example. You can change the font in the format and add effects for the text. And after finish, hit save at the top right, hit download, and save it as a PNG, which reserves the high quality, and then hit download. And you're gonna wait for a few moments, and then after you download it, you can just go ahead to your YouTube channel, right, and click the YouTube icon at the bottom right, click your click view channel, and then hit the pencil icon next to the manage videos, and you're gonna be able to click the camera icon behind the avatar photo, and then choose a banner from your saved banners, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.